Hey everyone, Krunok here. I'm going to quickly show you how to tie your belt.
Start by folding your belt in half. Now take your jacket and fold it left over right so the logo is facing the outside. Wrap the belt around your waist, crisscrossing it around your back. Cross right over left. Now take the top tail and feed it underneath all the layers of the belt. Pull a little snug, cross it left over right, bring the bottom tail through the middle, and pull. Now let's see that from a top view. We have our belt folded in half. We're going to take our jacket and put it left over right. Take the belt, wrap it around our waist, bring it to the front. We'll cross the tails right over left, taking the top tail now and feeding it underneath and through all the layers of the belt. I'm going to pull a little bit just to make it snug. We're going to cross it left over right, and now take the bottom tail, feed it through the middle, and pull snug. And now you know how to tie your belt.